Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan. So as a Mumbaikar, Vada Pav is very special for me. So today I'm going to make a simple recipe of Vada Pav. And to add to it, I will also be making a chutney recipe, which is a traditional Maharashtrian chutney, which is known as lasnachi chutney. And I'll be making a green chutney as well. So today it's going to be a perfect street style Vada Pav recipe video. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the batter as it needs to rest for 20 to 30 minutes. First, we'll use 1 cup of finely ground gram flour, also known as besan. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt and a small amount of baking soda, just half teaspoon, which is optional. Next, add half teaspoon of crushed ajwain seeds. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now let's mix these dry ingredients well to ensure they are evenly distributed. Then gradually add water while whisking to form a smooth batter. Begin with a thick consistency to avoid lumps and then adjust to a medium consistency, not too thick, not too thin. We'll set our batter aside to rest while we prepare our green chutney. Now for the green chutney, in a mixer jar, add a handful of washed and cleaned coriander leaves, 5 to 6 mint leaves, 1 green chili. You can add more if you prefer it spicy, 3 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, salt, and I'll just squeeze in a lime. Now we'll grind these ingredients to a smooth paste. Oh, I almost forgot to add the onion. Add half an onion to the mixture and blend again until smooth. And there you have it. Our green chutney is ready. Next, let's prepare a simple batatyachi bhaji, for which I've boiled 3 medium-sized potatoes until soft. Now we'll smash them with our hands to ensure there are no lumps. Now this is very important because when you eat your vada pav, you should not get the lumps of potatoes in your vada. So just make sure that you smash them well so that the tadka also gets mixed evenly in the vada. Now let's prepare the tadka. In a pan, heat 1 to 2 teaspoon of oil. Then add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once it starts crackling, add a pinch of hing and 1 de-seeded green chili. Now I added de-seeded green chili because I like it less spicy. You can add 1 whole green chili, finely chopped. Add 3 finely chopped garlic cloves. And curry leaves. Now we'll add the smashed potatoes. Oh, again I forgot one important ingredient, that's turmeric powder. So here I'll add half teaspoon of turmeric powder to the hot oil. And now I'll mix everything well with the flame off. Here I'll add little salt. And there you go, our potato bhaji is ready. Transfer it to a bowl to cool down. little bit of fresh coriander leaves finely chopped, and now we'll mix it well. Now while it's cooling, let's make our traditional lasnachi chutney, which is essential for authentic vada pav. So this is very important. Without this, my vada pav is not completed, or I can say the Mumbai street style vada pav is incomplete without this chutney. Now in a hot oil, quickly fry garlic cloves with their skins on and set them aside. I'll fry some green chilies too, but this is not for the chutney. Now that our batter is ready, as you can see, now with my hands I'll sprinkle some batter into the hot oil very carefully. Okay, so our crispy churran is ready. Now I'll add this into the mixer jar along with the fried garlic. Now I'll add salt here. Now just make sure that you're very generous with the salt. For this chutney especially, more salt is needed. And then I'll add in Kashmiri chili powder. You can use any spicy chili powder if you want your dried chutney, your lasnachi chutney to be spicy. Alright, and now I will coarsely grind this mixture to make our lasnachi chutney. That's it. Now everything is ready, so let's fry our vadas. Now to fry the vadas, just ensure the oil is hot, then lower the flame to fry the vadas slowly. Now just make sure that the oil is not too hot, because when you add the vadas, immediately your vadas will turn brown. So just make sure that you heat the oil as per required. And that's it. Our vada pav is ready to enjoy. Let's serve. That's about it, guys. My vada pav is ready and I can't wait to eat it. My mouth is just watering. Look at the chutney. My wife just tasted the chutney and she said that she's transported back to Maharashtra, to Mumbai. And I'm very proud of myself that I made this vada pav. And let me taste this. Perfect vada pav. Do try this recipe, guys. It's very awesome. It's very simple. It's very delicious. Do let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe, how you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. Share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you next time with a new video with a new recipe. Till then, bye bye.